Investing in the stock market can be a great way to build wealth, but as a Muslim investor, it's important to ensure that your investments are Sharia compliant. In this video, I'll guide you through the steps to build a strong halal stock portfolio as a beginner. I'll explain how to find halal stocks, diversify your portfolio, and avoid non-compliant investments. Stay tuned. A halal stock is one that follows the principles of Islamic finance. Here's how to determine if a stock is Sharia compliant. No involvement in haram industries. Avoid stocks in 1. Alcohol, gambling, pork, tobacco. 2. Interest-based finance, conventional banks, insurance. 3. Weapons, adult entertainment, and unethical businesses. Financial ratios must be within Islamic guidelines. 1. Debt to assets ratio should be below 33%. 2. Interest income should be less than 5% of revenue. 3. Cash and receivables should not exceed 50% of total assets. To check if a stock is halal, you can use Islamic finance screening tools like Zoya, ISFA, or simply Sharia. If you prefer diversified investment, halal ETFs are a great way to invest without picking individual stocks. Diversification is key to building a strong halal portfolio. You should invest in different sectors to reduce risk. Example of a diversified halal stock portfolio. Technology. Nvidia, Tesla. Healthcare. Johnson & Johnson. Consumer goods. Unilever. Halal ETFs. HLAL, Wahid Invest. By spreading your investments across different industries, you reduce risk and improve long-term growth potential. If you're new to investing, here are some beginner-friendly strategies to build your halal portfolio. Start with halal ETFs. They provide diversification without the need to pick individual stocks. Use dollar cost averaging, DCA. Invest a fixed amount monthly to reduce market risk. Invest for the long term. The stock market rewards patience, so focus on steady growth rather than quick profits. Many beginner investors make mistakes that cost them money. Here's what to avoid. Ignoring debt levels. Even if a company's business is halal, high debt makes it non-compliant. Investing in meme stocks and hype. Always check Sharia compliance before investing in trending stocks. Not rechecking stock. Companies change their business models, so review your portfolio regularly. Building a halal stock portfolio is a great way to grow your wealth while staying true to Islamic finance principles. If you choose the right stocks, diversify, and invest consistently, you can achieve financial security and long-term success. Want to start investing in halal stocks? Check out the link in the description. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Islamic finance and investing tips.